Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find your Microsoft account recovery code. So if you also want to find your Microsoft account recovery code, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in microsoft.com. Now you'll be led to the official website of Microsoft. You can see over here, I have already opened the official website for Microsoft. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see your account name and email. Right below it you'll be able to see the option for my Microsoft account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Initially you'll be in the account interface. At left you can find several options over here. At fifth you'll be able to find the option for security. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the security interface. Here you'll be able to find the option for manage how I sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for recovery code. So if you want to find your old recovery code, unfortunately you can see over here there is no option for viewing your old recovery code. So if you have printed out your old recovery code, you might be able to search for it, or if you have written it somewhere, make sure to search for it. But if you do not find your old recovery code, all you have to do is click on the option generate a new code. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Now you'll be able to see your new recovery code over here. You do not have to worry at all. You'll be able to log in using this recovery code. But make sure to keep this recovery code very safe. Print it out and keep it in a safe place or take a picture of it. Your old recovery code will not work anymore. If you want to print it, all you have to do is click on the print option that you can see right over here. After that, simply click on the got it option that you can see right over here. So that is how you find your Microsoft account recovery code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.